Before you start building models, it's essential to understand your data. That's where exploratory data analysis, or EDA, comes in. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Pandas and Matplotlib in Python to perform basic EDA, spotting patterns, detecting outliers, and revealing insights that can guide your next steps. Let's begin by importing the essentials: Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib for visualization. We'll load a data set like a CSV and use functions like head, info, and describe to get an overview. Next, we clean the data. That includes checking for missing values using is null, sum, handling duplicates, and converting data types if needed. Clean data ensures accurate insights. Now the fun part: visualization. Use value counts and bar plots for categorical data. For numerical columns, histograms and box plots are perfect for spotting distributions and outliers. With just a few lines of code, you can visualize trends across your dataset. To dig deeper, use .core and a heat map to check for relationships between variables. This helps you identify what's potentially driving the outcomes you're interested in. EDA isn't just about looking at charts, it's about developing a story with your data. The more you explore, the better your models will perform. Want the full code and dataset? Check the description. And for more Python tips, subscribe to Data Stories with Nirmala.